Namaste, myself Dr. Riva Gupta from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur, Associate Professor in Department of Kriyashali, Faculty of Ayurveda Science. Today's session is about Nervous System Part 1, Physiology of Nervous System. It controls all body functions quicker than other control system in body. It has two main parts. CNS means Central Nervous System and PNS means Peripheral Nervous System. CNS, it includes brain and spinal cord. It is formed by neurons and the supporting cells called neuroglia. The structures of brain and spinal cord are arranged in two layers. First is gray matter and another is white matter. Gray matter, it is made up of nerve cell bodies and proximal part of nerve fibers. White matter, it is made up of nerve fibers. In brain, white matter is centrally placed and gray matter is in the outer part. In spinal cord, white matter is in the outer part and gray matter is in the inner part. Brain and spinal cord are surrounded by three layers of meninges. First is outer dura mater, then middle arachnoid, and inner pia mater. The space between dura mater and arachnoid is subdural space, and space between arachnoid and pia mater is subarachnoid space. Subarachnoid space is filled with CSF. CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. PNS, peripheral nervous system. It is formed by neurons and their processes. It consists cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Neuron or nerve cell or nerve fiber. It is structural and functional unit of nervous system. It is like any other body cell. Differences from a normal cell are it has branches and processes called axon and dendrites, and nerve cell has no centrosome, so it can't divide. Classification of neurons according to number of poles, unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar. There is a diagram showing different type of neurons, unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar. Unipolar means there is only one pole in a neuron from where cell axon and dendrites are produced or derived. And another is bipolar. There, two poles are present. One pole is for axon and another pole is dendrites. And multipolar, there are many poles, one for axon and many for dendrites. According to function, motor neurons or efferent nerve cells, sensory neurons or afferent nerve cells. Motor neurons, they carry motor impulses from CNS to effector organs like muscles, glands, blood vessels, etc. They generally have long axons and short dendrites. Sensory neurons or afferent nerve cells, they carry sensory impulses from periphery to CNS. They generally have short axon and long dendrites. Types of nerve fibers, according to structure, myelinated or non-myelinated. Myelinated axon, those have myelin sheath. It is made up of Schwann cells. And another is non-myelinated, where the myelin sheath is absent. According to distribution, somatic cell means supply skeletal muscle and visceral supply visceral organs. According to origin, cranial and spinal. According to function, sensory and motor. According to secretion, adrenergic and cholinergic. The structure of neuron. Each neuron is made up of three parts: nerve cell body, dendrite or axon. Nerve cell body. It is also called soma or perikaryon. It is irregular in shape and consists cytoplasm, which called neuroplasm, covered by a cell membrane called neurolemma. The cytoplasm contains a large nucleus, micelle bodies, neurofibrils, mitochondria, and Golgi apparatus. Axon, it is one in number in a nerve cell and carry impulses from one nerve cell body. Dendrites may be present or absent, may be one or many in number. transmit impulses towards the nerve cell body. Organization of nerve. Many axons together form a bundle called fasciculars. Many fasciculi together form a nerve. The whole nerve is covered by a sheath called epineurium. Each fasciculus is covered by perineurium, and each nerve fiber is covered by endoneurium. The nerve fibers which are covered by myelin sheath are called myelinated fibers. Myelin sheath is made up of lipoproteins which insulate the nerve fiber. This sheath is absent at regular intervals. The area where myelin sheath is absent is called node of Denver. Segment between two nodes is called internode. Myelin sheath is responsible for white color of nerve fiber. Myelin sheath is made up of Schwann cells present in neurilemma inside the endoneurium. Functions of myelin sheath. Faster conduction of impulses. In myelinated nerve fiber, the impulses jump from one node to another node. This type of conduction of impulse is called saltatory conduction. Myelin sheath has a high insulating capacity. Because of this quality, the myelin sheath restricts the nerve impulses within the single nerve fiber and prevents the stimulation of neighboring nerve fibers. Neuroglia, supporting cells of nervous system, do not transmit nerve impulses, 10 to 15 times more in number than neurons, helps in reaction of nerve during infection. Types: central neuroglial cells and peripheral neuroglial cells. Central neuroglial cells are astrocytes, microglia, and oligodendrocytes. Peripheral neuroglial cells are Schwann cells and satellite cells. Astrocytes, star-shaped cells, form supporting network in brain and spinal cord, form blood-brain barrier, provide calcium and potassium, and regulate neurotransmitter level in synapse. Microglia derived from monocytes or phagocytic cells, macrophages of CNS. Oligodendrocytes is myelination of nerve fibers in CNS where Schwann cells are absent. Schwann cells, it helps in myelination, helps in nerve regeneration, and some phagocytic activities. Satellite cells provide physical support to the PNS neurons. Sensory nervous system. Sensory nervous system consists sensory receptor present in skin, joints, skeletal muscle that receive stimuli from external and internal environment. Neural pathways that conduct information from receptor to the brain. Parts of the brain that deal with processing the information. If the sensory information reaches brain, it is called sensation. The understanding of the sensation is called perception. Sensory neurons are divided into three groups: first order neuron, second order neuron, and third order neuron. First order neuron, they conduct impulses from somatic receptors to the brain stem or spinal cord. From the face, mouth, teeth, and eyes, somatic sensory impulses conduct along cranial nerves into the brain stem. From the neck, trunk, limbs, and posterior aspect of head, impulses conduct along spinal nerves into the spinal cord. Second order neuron, they conduct impulses from the brain stem to the thalamus. Axons of second order neurons decussate in the brain stem or spinal cord before ascending to the thalamus, so all information from one side of the body reaches the thalamus on the opposite side. Third order neuron, they conduct impulses from thalamus to cortex. Sensory tracts in spinal cord. Tracts in dorsal white column are fasciculus gracilis and fasciculus cuneatus. Tracts in lateral white columns are lateral spinothalamic tract, dorsal spinocerebellar tract, and ventral spinocerebellar tract. Tract in ventral white column is ventral spinothalamic tract. Motor nervous system. The execution, planning, coordination, and adjustment of the movements of the body are under the influence of different parts of the nervous system, which are together called the motor system. The motor nervous system includes spinal cord and its nerves, cranial nerves, brainstem, cerebral cortex, and cerebellum. Classification of motor pathways. It is divided into two parts. First is pyramidal tract and another is extrapyramidal tract. Pyramidal tracts, fibers which form pyramids in the upper part of medulla. These tracts control the voluntary movements of the body. Extrapyramidal tracts, motor pathway other than pyramidal tracts are known as extrapyramidal tracts. These tracts related with regulation of muscle tone, posture, and equilibrium. The neurons of motor system are divided into upper motor neurons and lower motor neurons on the basis of their location and termination. Upper motor neurons, neurons in the higher center of brain, like cerebral cortex, brainstem, cerebellum, they control the lower motor neurons. Lower motor neurons are the anterior gray horn cells in the spinal cord and motor neurons of cranial nerve, which innervate the muscles directly. And there are some questions. Types of nerve fibers, classification of neuron, structure of nerve, sensory nervous system, and motor nervous system. Reference books. Thank you.